side so it doesn't get the bubbles.
That's true. I think it's gonna pour it out of the glass.
No!
Oh, excuse me. Hey.
Hello on YouTube, you know it's your boy Clickman. You're tuning into Click React. Today we're gonna be looking at a video called "Try Not to Say Wow." So it's one of those videos where it's like satisfying type of videos in some cases, but some it's just like the shit people are doing is crazy. You know what I'm saying? Guys, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit subscribe, turn on post notifications, drop a like, and let me know which one of these moments was your favorite, man. We're just gonna get right into it. I'll see you guys later. Peace.
And this is what living on
This is not wild to me. This is what the fuck are you doing? Let's be honest here.
the edge means.
I'm Molly Mitchell. This is for all my millions of TikTok followers.
It's kind of fucking ridiculous. Oh, that's rain? Wait, what? God damn, bro.
This person's
Ew.
dry skin got
Motherfuck.
hoisted up and removed.
That is fucking disgusting. I did not expect to see this here. Can we move along? What the fuck? Nigga deep throating a fucking mannequin, like relax, brother. Okay, this we're not doing. Yuck.
Who knows about this drink here, boy?
You should pour it to the side so it doesn't get the bubbles.
That's true. I think it's gonna pour it out of the glass.
No!
Oh, excuse me. Hey. Excuse me?
Sorry, 1 second.
Oh no, I need you right now.
I'll do it.
I think he's too tall for you, young blood.
Do
Oh
not
shit.
buy
Never mind.
seedless watermelons.
This in my life. I don't even buy these seedless watermelons. I go to Sprouts.
What the
Get
fuck?
a seedless watermelon. Look at this.
What is that?
I'm so glad I did not eat this.
What the fuck is that?
What is that?
I should change the whole title of this
So I
video
will say
because
I'm
this is
stupid for
ridiculous.
Drinking. That knife fell out of that little knife container thingy.
Wait, what?
No.
Better run. Yeah, niggas is stupid.
Looks like a normal leg, right? Watch this.
What the fuck? How do you do that, bro? And why?
It's like I'm made out of Play-Doh.
Literally, you'll never believe my life. Just driving. Someone rear-ended me. My Jeep is fine, but his car.
God
is fine.
damn. That is so fucked.
I can't.
And here's why you should always brush your teeth.
Damn, bro. That is creepy, no cap. That is reapy, no bap. What the fuck is wrong with people, brother? Why? I don't care what that shit is supposed to do for me. That's cement. What? Weird ass people. Oh, it's that long neck nigga. Damn, that's cool. Oh wait, this is on a cruise ship. Okay, scary. So, whoa. Can you imagine if there was like a crack in that bitch or something?
It's like a car wash.
It's a little bit tight there.
Oh,
What was that? Like a wait, what?
Going back is not an option. It's too far, and that bit that we squeezed for, I don't think we can
Bro.
get back through, so we can only go this way, mate.
Brother.
Yeah, you might have to get that off, mate. This next bit's looking tight.
Damn. Oh shit, that's what that shit look like? Lungs, eh? Deep breaths.
Go.
I think after this, I'm gonna need a breath.
That is crazy.
Not funny.
I think that's the best you're gonna get. So if you want to zoom in on that.
Oh, I'm zooming in.
That is crazy.
Okay, are we okay with that? Yeah. I'm out of breath.
Okay.
Use your lungs.
Oh, use
Wow.
your lungs because we didn't take them. You're gonna spy hut.
Oh, what the fuck? Hell, bro. This is why I don't fuck with the ocean.
I'm surprised you even looked at me.
What is that? What is that? Is that a tick?
That might be a human body.
Oh shit.
Come on,
What is this? What the fuck?
Oh, I've got a donut coming up for me. I have got a donut coming
He's about to miss
up
that
for
shit.
me.
There's nothing in it.
I've got a donut.
Yep, miss it. You fucking dummy.
It got me thinking now. Should I take it or leave it out? It got me thinking.
What the fuck is wrong with people, bro? This is so far the only satisfying. That's kind of crazy. I was like, all magnets or something? Yeah, I guess. It's the only satisfying video so far, and I thought that this is what it's supposed to be. When titles lie to you. This is cool, though. Kind of want one of these. For no reason. Wow. That's crazy.
Can I get some water?
Of course. Can you catch?
Yeah, sure.
Oh, we're leaving? Okay, let me just do my hair real quick.
Psycho. What the fuck?
Okay.
What the fuck is this? Oh wow. I did not know that's how that works.
Excited to announce that Lego's grand opening is today, so let's count down.
That shit is not cutting it.
Let's go on 5, 4,
You about to break that shit.
2, 1.
That is so stupid.
Pyramids were built with sound.
Wait, what? I'm kind of confused. Man's blowing the fucking conch shell. I just don't see why I'd want to do this, if I'm being real. Oh, you better get the fuck out the road, brother. Brother. Oh, he has beer shit on him, ticks, everything. Oh, damn. Oh, whoa.
Woody.
Holy fuck. Just looking at this dog, the fur, the drool. That's a no for me.
Woody.
It look like a lion for real. The fuck? What is that? Oh, what are these again? Not hamsters. Guinea pigs. This looks poisonous. That's cool. It's so crazy that
I love Chick-fil-A.
this man's probably more efficient than me. How does he eat the burger? Man has time to put sauce on that shit. What the fuck is that? The fuck? That is crazy. Yeah, that's sick. I never seen somebody do something like that before. That's actually cool. Little Cruella de Vil vibes. Yeah, this is low-key tough. I actually like that. Whoa, 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 whoa. Brother, why are you so close? You're about to scrape the shit out of this. I mean, I just don't feel like you were supposed to drive here.
No, it's actually fine.
But how did you get in here in the first place, and why?
You know what's funny? They literally warned us.
That's crazy.